Benefit hook. Get peaceful bedtimes. No more bedtime battles starting tonight. Cindy thinks TV before bed helps Timmy wind down for sleep. But Timmy is still wide awake, restless, and unable to fall asleep. Cindy and Benjamin are worried about Timmy. They need a solution. Cindy remembered advice from the ARIA app about toddler sleep habits. ARIA, screen time before bed disrupts sleep. Avoid screens before bedtime. Cindy replaced TV with a calming bedtime story before sleep time. Timmy is now sleeping soundly and peacefully through the night now. Cindy and Benjamin are relieved and happy that Timmy is sleeping well. A screen-free bedtime routine leads to better sleep and happier days. What are your favorite bedtime routine tips? Share them in the comments. Find more science-backed parenting advice and support in the ARIA app.